Hey guys, what's going on? It's Eric from Yokohama Skateboards, and today we're going to be talking all about the backside 180. We're going to get into all things backside 180. I'm going to show you kind of like little hacks that can kind of help you if you're not quite there, or if you already know how to do the trick, I can show you how to kind of clean it up and make it look a little better, but it's all subjective at that point. But either way, we're back at the skate park, our training facility, me and Enzo call it. It's not really our training facility, it's a public skate park where we like to come, but it's been super cool lately making videos for you guys, and we're glad to be back. We had to take a little bit of a break, but we're back, and we're gonna have a lot of stuff coming out for you guys nearing like the holiday season, and we're still gonna be doing giveaways. But enough about me talking, let's get into the back 180, and hopefully you can learn something or just enjoy the video. We're going to be learning the backside 180. So you might wonder, what is a backside 180? So what it's going to be an ollie. So ollie, we all know that, and if you don't, we do have trick tip tutorials about how to do the ollie, how to kind of fine tune it, get it better. So we're going to be using that, and also we're going to be doing 180-degree rotation. So like I said before in previous videos, I'm a goofy foot rider, so that means my right foot's gonna be forward. So I'm gonna be facing this. That's my predominantly stance for skateboarding. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna do it backside. So I'm gonna be turning this way, so when I land, there's my backside. That's kind of how I look at it. So we're gonna combine the ollie with the turn. So it's 180 degrees. So the nose of my board is going to be facing this way. My tail is going to be the nose now. So it's going to look something like this when you put it together. And there's a couple different ways you can do it. So just to see. Oh, that one was a little wonky, but we get a little better one for you. But the back 180, there's a little bit of a pivot in it. That's the backside 180. So in the next couple of clips, I'm gonna be demonstrating it, and then we're gonna break down what I think is like crucial to learn this trick, and some of my techniques that I do, I guess in my head, or not even thinking about it now because it's a trick that I learned a long time ago, but just kind of how it works for me, and hopefully you can kind of take some of little snippets of what I'm saying and help you learn the backside 180. All right, so there were some clips of me doing back 180s around the park. Super fun trick. It also will help you with other tricks in the future, like backside flips, which is a kick flip and the backside 180, as well as maybe getting into full 360s and other variations of different tricks. But when I was doing it around the park, you might notice some of them are kind of different. When I do it on flat ground, usually I like to snap it, just snap an ollie, get all the way around. But sometimes when I'm coming out of a quarter pipe, I'm not really snapping my board. I'm kind of floating, and what I do is turn my right shoulder kind of like this. Your legs will follow, and then right when I kind of land, we do like a little power slide. So you can do them a couple different ways. Like when I'm doing back 180s, I like the power slide. I don't know, I just like hearing the wheels hit and make that screech noise. It sounds cool to me. But yeah, we'll go through it just kind of like before, but the two different ways. The first way, all the way around. Some people like doing that. I think the power slide way is kind of cool, but it's whatever you like. So first way, just snap a ollie. There's a little bit of power slide, or you can do it kind of late with the power slide. And I'm gonna ollie and just use all my weight to move the board. So that's the backside 180. Super fun trick to do. I would say it's kind of like a building block, so it's not very advanced, which is perfect. But say if you even have the trick, you can still work on them, because some of the ones, Enzo's got some clips, I was falling, and you never master skateboarding, so it can humble you. So there you have it. That's the backside 180. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And from me and Enzo and everybody at Yokohama Skateboards, we just want to thank you guys for your continued support and riding with us for the last couple years. It's been fun, and we're not stopping now. So stay in the loop with us. Stay subscribed to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram. If you guys want to see any videos or maybe go over some past ones we've done, leave a comment on YouTube, Instagram, and we'll get to it. But we just want to thank you guys so much, and we'll see you in the next one.